Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload Bitmoji Classroom into CTLS for probably the third time now. I'm hoping that this is the final way that I learned to do it. I have found that this way doesn't have that tiny little Bitmoji screen that's kind of blurry for the students, and it's on just the regular homepage. This way actually makes it bigger on the whole screen for the student, and just the whole look of it I think looks a little nicer. It does take a few more steps, however, once you do it, it's done, and whenever you make any type of correction to your slides, as soon as the student updates and refreshes their page, it's going to be fine because they're going to see the new updates added into the classroom. So the first thing you're going to do is go to File, Save a Copy, and you're going to save it as a JPEG, so as a picture. And I'm going to name it Bitmoji Classroom 2021. Once you hit save, it's going to ask you which slides do you want to export. You're not going to want to export all your slides, just the very first one, the last slide that you were on. So just this one is the button you're going to click there in the middle. So now this right here has been turned into a picture. After you create your picture, you're going to go to the share button. You want to change the people you specify can edit to anyone with the link. Uncheck allow editing because you don't want students to have access to editing your slides. And then you're going to click apply. Now copy the link. And once you have the link copied, you are going to go to your CTLS classroom that you want to put this in. I've already put one in my homeroom, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it in my ELA classroom. From the county, I heard that class board is the place that you would want to put your Bitmoji Classroom. So I'm going to click the plus sign. I'm going to name this Bitmoji Classroom. And you can name it whatever you want to name it. Virtual classroom, whatever it is that you want to call it. I'm just going to keep it simple and call it Bitmoji Classroom. And then I am going to type, click on the picture to open our Bitmoji Classroom. I'm going to make this bold. I'm going to change the font to Verdana. I'm going to change, I'll keep the size the same, that's fine. And then I'm going to click on More Rich, Insert Image, and then click where it says Drop Image or click. Find the file or the folder that you put your picture in that you saved, and click on the name of it and open. So now you can see the little picture of my Bitmoji Classroom. It's cute and small. And remember, it's just an image, but that image is going to turn into a link for them to click to open up the actual Bitmoji Classroom large. So now that you have the picture open up, you can see you have all these different options. Go ahead and click Insert Link. This is where you're going to paste the link to your Bitmoji Classroom. And then you want to add this part here. Now this is extremely important if you don't want them opening up your PowerPoint necessarily. You want them opening it up in a presentation mode. So you're going to add this little extra code at the end of your URL. This right here is what you need to add to the end of your URL in order for it to open up for the kids to see it in like a presentation mode. Once you have that added in, go ahead and click Open in New Tab. That way it doesn't kind of cover up their CTLS. It just opens up a new tab with their Bitmoji Classroom, and they'll also have CTLS still open up in the previous tab. Go ahead and click Insert, and now you have your Bitmoji Classroom link. You want to scroll down and click Add Topic. Now, it's going to look like it went away. It did not. For some reason, Classboard, once you add a topic, they think you want to add another one as well. Go ahead and click Cancel, and then you'll see your Bitmoji Classroom. Now that you've added your Bitmoji Classroom, you're probably going to want to check it out and see what it looks like in Student View. All right, so I've logged into my Student View, and I remember I put it in my Ray ELA, so I'm going to make sure I go to my Ray ELA shell, click it, and now I see my Bitmoji Classroom Classboard post, and all I have to do is click it, and as you can see, it opens up as like a presentation mode. I have the link here for this picture to go to my school's website, and then down here in the bottom corner is actually the button that they can click to go to this page here. This page here has some brain breaks for them if they need a quick brain break, or we even have like a set brain break time in our elementary schedule, so they can click that and get that brain break that they need. And there's so many to choose from on this one. Thankfully, somebody shared this with me, and so that was awesome. They have different links over here, the school website again, Office 365 login. I'm going to be putting my learning targets here so that students can see their learning targets. But yeah, so slowly but surely my Bitmoji Classroom is going to grow. As of right now, it's fairly small because I don't want to overwhelm them on the first week. But this is my Bitmoji Classroom, and now the students have access to it. And all that good stuff. I hope this helps you.